Shrivika, can you read this question for me over here? What clothes you wear in summer? Which spinning tool did Mahatma Gandhi famously promoted? Yeah, right, very good.
Yeah, good afternoon. My name is Deepthi and I've come from INDUS Universal School. So my kids are here to field trip to One Day Weaver, which is a colorful journey from the fields to the cloth. Yes. So I think I can say that this was a good experience for all the kids where they learned they were engaged in different activities, that is from the fields, like how the cotton is got, to the various like ginning, spinning, then how the weaving is done. So various activities are over here and children really enjoyed each and everything. And I can say that they carried a lot of knowledge. So I request even others can really come over here to learn more about this One Day Weaver.